know, your boy back with another video. I'm just making a quick video. Got a Traxxas Bandit with a new front bumper, as you can see on there. Yes, sir. I noticed, bringing it out, it was easy to carry. Cause cool, it was just bigger than the stock little black front bumper on there. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video of me driving around. The tires are pretty bold, so I can't go anywhere without, sliding. But yeah, guys, that was a quick little video. I definitely got more mods on the way, tires, rims, the whole nine, bigger battery, motor. But it's a quick little video, guys.